Hello, someone just follow me breaking into my house and then say something. Yeah, he's in front of our door and he said like some video and
Police emergency. Hello, what's your address?
Hello.
What's your address?
Please.
Do you know who they are?
He said he's Lindani. He said South Africa. I don't know whether he knows our owner or not.
Does he have any weapons in his hands, like guns, knife, bat, stick?
No, he said some silver things. I don't know what he means.
Is he yelling at you guys? Does he seem confused?
Sorry. I know you guys. Can I see your phone?
my wife is so afraid and I don't know what's going on. And they don't understand. I don't know how to say his name. And he said like
Sorry.
I'm so afraid to go outside and say. Yeah, I see some cars in here. He's still in the community. I think the police officer can stop him.
Do you remember what the car looks like?
Yeah, I saw another people.
Okay,
He's still in the car.
Where? Well, he's... Get on the ground, no! Get on the ground! Get on the ground, no!
Was it appropriate that police did not identify themselves as police?
You know what? I think you might be right. They didn't identify themselves, but hey, let's be honest. They're in uniform, right? They're coming there with the police cars, and they told them get on the ground. Comply.